Hello, my name is Richard Kuhn. I'm a professor of biological sciences at Purdue University, and my work focuses on human viruses. So my research is aimed to understand the relationship between the structure of viruses and how they work. We really want to understand how they cause disease. And if we see them and we can manipulate them, then we can begin to understand the diseases that they cause. Diseases like the one that was caused by Zika virus, which was one of the viruses that we solved the structure with. We also work on a virus called dengue, which infects 400 million people worldwide every year. Many of these viruses are important human pathogens, and we're pursuing a whole bunch of these viruses. So just like you belong to a family, viruses also belong to a family. You have genes that you inherited from your parents. Viruses within a family have very similar type genes. Like a family, you probably resemble your parents or your siblings. Viruses within the same family resemble one another. So flaviviruses are a group of viruses that we are interested in. These viruses cause lots of diseases. Members include Zika and dengue, West Nile, for example. They are found throughout the world. Many of them are transmitted either by mosquitoes or ticks. And so when you swat that mosquito, you never know whether it's carrying one of these viruses or not. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to use examples of viruses within a family and understand the structure and the reasons why they cause disease and how your immune system can develop protection against them. And if we know against one, and we have a platform for developing vaccines, we can use it against anyone in that family. So a pandemic is usually going to emerge when the population lacks immunity. So if we've never seen a virus before, it's very possible that if it can get into the population, it can be easily transmitted from me to you, that it can spread rapidly and it can become pandemic. And so we know a whole series of viruses that we don't see very often or at all, and we know how they're transmitted and how that could spread rapidly. And if they're capable of causing significant human disease, we need to be concerned.